Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me right now I'm on apa ini? In the angkot. On the angkot. Apa? On the angkot. I wanna go to Chelsea. Actually, I forget what is on her, how to use on and in. I have heard about that, I have learned about that, but I forgot about. Now the angkot is the transportation or cities transportation, citizen right? Citizen transportation. I'm gonna go to my house then with my friends. So right now. Very indah. Lanjut itu. This is not very crowded. Yeah. In here is not very crowded. And other passenger and the front seat. Yep. Noise is not there. The traffic wasn't very crowded too. Yeah, it was. Yeah. The trafficnya enggak. Yes. Not like some week ago. What? 2 weeks ago. The traffic was very crazy. Like 1 hour. Once, yeah. To really reach 200 meters maybe. Yeah. And we're going to go to Chilongsi. This is angkot 64. Suaranya gini ya, suara yang nyaman. Our voice it still hears because it's a bit the transportation machine is a bit makes sounds louder like that. Maybe for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.